parade. Let the parade begin. Yes. Here they go, it's the Radiance and the Seas crew members. This morning we are here to celebrate all of the ship's hard-working crew members who have been looking after you all week. There are 872 crew members on the ship who are amazing. They come from 59 countries. I'm going to read the names of the countries where our crew members are from in alphabetical order. So please give a massive cheer for each country as you hear it. If you don't hear your country called, it's a roll call, remember, of the countries where the crew members are from and not one of every country in the world. So let's start with the countries, beginning with the letter A. And we have 9 crew members joining us from Argentina. We have 5 from Australia. 1 crew member from Barbados. And 1 from Bosnia. There are 18 from Brazil. Crew members, including Captain Rutman from Bulgaria. 4 from Cambodia. And 2 from Canada. Okay, 2 crew members come from Chile, 12 from China, 5 from Colombia, 8, including Staff Captain Perro from Croatia. He's up there. 2 crew members from Dominica, 1 from Georgia, 1 from Greece, 1 from Grenada, 5 from Guyana, 2 from Honduras, 1 from Hungary, here's a big one, 143 from India. from Indonesia. Very nice, Indonesia there. There is one crew member, he's standing here next to me, he's the food and beverage director in charge of all that wonderful food and drink. It's Antonio from Italy, yes! There are 14 crew members, including the human resources manager, Nicholas, up there, from Jamaica. There are 10 from Kenya, 1 from Lithuania, 2 from Madagascar, 9 from Mauritius, and, oh yes, 10, we were there yesterday, 10 from Mexico. There is 1 crew member from Montenegro, 1 from Morocco, 2 from Myanmar, 2 from Nepal, 5 from Nicaragua, 1 from Panama, 7 from Peru, and here's the biggest one, 267 from the Philippines! There are 3 crew members, including the chief engineer Thomas from Poland, 2 from Portugal, 12 from Romania, 5 from Russia, 4 from St. Lucia, 9 from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, 2 from Serbia, and 20 from South Africa. There are 2 crew members from South Korea, 1 from Spain, 1 from Sri Lanka, 2 from Tanzania, 2 from Thailand, 1 from Trinidad and Tobago, 8 from Tunisia, 1 from Turkey, and 8 from Ukraine.
Well
who join us from the United Kingdom. Oh yeah. Of course, we have 9 crew members from the United States of America. Amazing. There we go. So please, once again, everybody, give all of our wonderful crew members a massive round of applause today. And now I'd like to hand over to Captain Ruben.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for coming to this special event. You know now everything about my crew. It's time to know about yourselves, our guests. So this cruise, we have, I'm using figures now, I can make them up, but let me be more exact. So, we have 2,206 guests who join us in Galveston, including 1,319 Crown and Anchor members. 70 of you are celebrating your anniversary during the cruise, 12 celebrating honeymoon with us. Not with us, but so. In third place, with 21 guests, Canada. In second place, with 95 guests, Mexico. Let me say it in Spanish. 95 pasajeros de México. That's all I know in Spanish. And in the final place, with 2,063 guests, guess who? The United States of America. Ladies and gentlemen, so many nationalities living and working together, sharing the same goal, to deliver an exceptional service to all our guests. And if the politicians look in our royal culture, they will find many good lessons to learn from us. And then the world will be a better place. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, everyone, for coming out to the centre. And it's time for the crew members to go back to work right now. We will see you at 2 o'clock in the theatre for the Captain's Corner question and answer session. Have a great day, whatever else you decide to do. Good morning.